When I started this channel about 10 months ago, I didn't know if anyone would watch. And, I think of myself as an introvert, so putting myself out there felt rather uncomfortable. And also, I was carrying these perfectionist tendencies that made me hesitate a million times. I was waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect setup, the perfect version of myself, perhaps. But here's the thing, and this is one of my newest discoveries. It might be already quite obvious to you, but perfection isn't possible. Transformation is. And so eventually, I realized that I didn't need to be perfect to begin. I just needed to begin. And so I did. Since then, I've learned so much about content creation, of course, but also about myself. On a technical side, I dove into video editing, learning Final Cut Pro, experimenting with color grading, and even figuring out things like video formats, bit rates, codecs, and compression. Not easy for a newbie, but definitely worth it. Organization has been a game changer too. I used to dump all my thoughts into one untagged note in the Notes app, which is fine for little things, but way too messy for this kind of project. So now I designed a system in Notion. I plan everything in advance and also film in batches. That's really the key. That structure freed up my mind and helped me focus on creativity instead of trying to make sense of complete chaos. And then there's being on camera. Seeing yourself on screen is awkward at first. I remember the first few times where I watched my footage back and I was like, ooh, do I really sound like this? And why does my face do that thing? But after a while, I just relaxed into it. And, I started treating the camera like it's just you and me practicing together. It's not perfect, not polished, but real. Done is better than perfect because showing up again and again is way more valuable than sounding or looking flawlessly. For me, it's about improving 1% at a time. My creativity has also grown in ways I didn't really expect. I've learned that ideas are fragile, and if you don't capture them, they just vanish. So now I always record a quick voice memo on my phone to make sure that I capture the idea right there when it pops into my head. And later I put it in Notion and start working on it when the time comes. The more I practice this, the more ideas keep coming because what you practice grows stronger. And most importantly, this channel transformed me not only as a creator, but also as a person. I've learned patience, loads and loads of patience, consistency, and the value of showing up, even if it's difficult and maybe a little bit scary. I've seen firsthand that perfection isn't the goal, growth is. And so here I am, creating, sharing, and learning alongside you. It's not perfect, but it's real. And knowing that yoga practices help you feel good in your body makes it all so rewarding. Yoga has given me so much over the years, and seeing it resonate with you is the best motivation to keep going and keep creating. If there's one thing I hope you take away, is this. You don't have to be ready to begin. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to begin, because showing up over and over and over again, it's more important than nailing it on the first try. And who can do that anyway? Learning takes time, and transformation follows consistency. So if yoga is your thing, subscribe and practice with me, taking little steps every day. And if it's something else, share what you're learning in the comments. I'd love to know. Either way, let's keep growing together. One pose, one idea, one step at a time.